Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to cook Chagempomba. Chagempomba prepared with rice and vegetable is one of the popular and typical dish of Manipur. Here are all the ingredients. Typically we use fresh mustard leaves, but here I will replace with spinach or palak. Hawaiijar or fermented soybean is a traditional fermented soybean indigenous in Manipur. It has a strong smell and taste. One needs to acquire this taste. Hawaiijar is one of the main ingredients of Chagempomba. Fermented fish and smoked fish is an indigenous food in Manipur. They infuse the fish flavor and enhance the taste of the dish. Take a bowl and add all the vegetable except for dill leaves. We'll use it later, and also add rice. The aromatic and rich blend of ingredients in the dish is what makes it a very unique and popular amongst the local people. Chagempomba is a dish that the Manipuris enjoy eating, but it is a dish of acquired taste. Anybody who doesn't have much knowledge or acquaintance with the Manipuri cuisine may be repulsed by just the sight or the smell of this particular dish. But once one acquires the taste, it will surely be a dish that cannot be forgotten easily. It is always a favorite dish for Manipuri and all-time favorite for all sections of people. Let's heat the handi with mustard oil. Here 2 teaspoons of oil is used. Add bay leaves and cumin seeds. Then we will add chopped onions. Fry for a few seconds. Then we will add all the vegetable mixture that we had created earlier. Then add green peas, fermented soybean or hawaiijar. Hawaiijar or fermented soybean is one of the main ingredients of Chagempomba. We will stir well and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cook, let's stir for a minute. Then we will add a generous amount of water. We need to add good amount of water since we need to cook till the rice is cooked. Then we will also add haribob and smoked fish. Smoked fish will enhance the taste and infuse fish flavor. We will cover and cook till the rice is cooked. We will need to keep stirring on intervals. Add salt to taste. Wait till the rice get to cook, then add the dill leaves. Dill leaves are added at later or near to end so that their aromatic and flavor can be retained. Cover and cook again. Let's check how is the rice. Rice is almost cooked. Now we can add dill leaves, stir and mix well. We will simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Then we will add chopped coriander leaves, simmer for a minute. Let's put off the flame and finish it off. Now Chagempomba is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to make more videos. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video.